Hey there again, everybody. With just 1 week to go before we hit the road on our next caravan adventure, it's time to get everything organised. From packing the van, stocking the cupboards and getting the caravan cleaned, to officially adding our bucket list adventures logo. This is the final countdown before the adventure begins. So, food packed. Good morning, everyone. It's another day and it's a new episode, and we are getting excited because it's less than a week before we hit the road. Got to get this little thing here finally ready. Got a little bit of cleaning to do and a couple of jobs, and then we're off. So we're going to just take you along for the ride so you can see what we've got happening. We showed you last week all the maintenance we did. This week it's clean, and we've had cleaning, and we've got a fair bit of rain, which has helped to get this rig looking a little bit cleaner. But I've got a couple of things. We've got a sticker I'm going to put on, so just to show who we are. So if you see us out there, you'll actually know who we are and where we are. Good morning, how are you? So let's get to work and get this thing ready to roll and ready to take on a big holiday. Woo! Well, that's the bed made. That's a bit of a chore. You might have also noticed last time, and I did, and it bothered me, but this cupboard looks shocking. So, it's tidier. There you go. Much tidier. Okay, let's shut that one. This moment feels really special. Putting on the Bucket List Adventures logo onto the caravan. It's not massive, but it's there, out there for the world to see. Anyway, I'll go on with cleaning the outside of the van because it's pretty grotty. Okay, so that's the outside cleaned up, which is good. Now we've got to put some food in canisters, clothes in, the fridge. We need to go a bit of shopping and get some stuff in the fridge as well. Yeah, so yep, next step, onwards and upwards. So here we go. Look, up here we've got our logo. How cool. It's a bit of fun. We've gone and labelled the rig, which is cool. And here's our other one up here. So you'll definitely see us coming And also, to kick off our holiday, we've got a little bit of a giveaway. We've got some of our new stubby holders, so Bucket List Adventure stubby holders. So they're freebies, you don't have to buy them, but all you need to do to get one of these sent out to you is to put a comment in to say, yes please, you'd like a Bucket List Adventures free stubby holder, and I will send one to you in the mail. Obviously I'll need your mailing details, but I'll be in touch. Comment, hopefully you're subscribed and hopefully you've liked our videos, so then you can sport your very own Bucket List Adventures very cute little stubby holder. Okay, we're getting there. That's right, to celebrate getting ready for this adventure, we're doing a little giveaway. We've got 5 of these Bucket List Adventures stubby holders to send out, so all you need to do is leave a comment below and I'll send them out to the first 5 people. So, I have packed it all in. All of that stuff has gone into here. So food packed, and my stuff in here is packed down here, ready to go in and do the next thing. Oh, it's warm. It hardly seems real because we've been looking forward to this for a while, and there's been so many other things happening in between. And yeah, tomorrow is our day that we go, so we don't go straight away, unfortunately. We've got to go and get the car serviced so that we've got that all done, and we're doing that up at Kadina. And then yeah, we've got a few more things to put in the caravan, but yeah, it's very exciting times. There's always a list before we leave, and somehow it never gets shorter, but we are getting there. And of course we're making sure all the camera gear and computers are ready to capture the adventure. And then no road trip would be complete without a good snack box, a few treats, and maybe a couple of healthier options as well. Next load. First aid. So just take a little supply of a few things and pop them up in the cupboard up here in the bathroom. Shoes go in under the bed in a little caddy here, so fits in very nicely out of the way. And clothes. We decided not to go with hanging space because we don't really iron anything anyway, so yeah, we've just got all these clothes to go in here. And apart from packing the van, we've got to have pot plants all organised and people to check on things and a house sitter. And I also like to leave things looking really nice at home for when we come home, so that it's all an easy transition back into living in a house situation. So yeah, clean sheets, clean towels, everything all clean, so that we can just come in and crash. Everything is coming together now, and we're so close to hitting the road. And if you've enjoyed getting ready for this adventure with us, make sure that you subscribe so you can follow the journey from the very beginning. And if you'd like to help us fuel the next adventure, you'll see a QR code on the screen where you can send us a small donation. We'd really appreciate your support. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode when we finally hit the road. Just look out for us. We're pretty sure you'll see us with our new big logo on the van.